Hi guys, I'm here again to demonstrate the issue I'm having with the remote control of the Android TV Mi Stick. Right? So let's plug in the source power. Only to make this clear, like I said in my previous video, the battery set are brand new. I bought only for the remote control. The batteries are here. Now I'm closing the cap like suggested by you. Let's try. Here I have the sticky with the light turns on. I'm using for this test the extension cable for HDMI connection only to demonstrate for you the light and the distance that I'm trying to use the remote control, okay? This extension cable is provided with the pack. I'm clicking several times and now it's asking for a new pairing. So I'm clicking. Okay, it's paired again, right? Let's try to use. It's not working. And see the distance that I'm trying to use in relation for the stick. It's minus than 1 centimeter. Let's try to put the remote control on the stick. Completely on. Asking for a new pairing again. Let's do it. So, as you can see, I'm having a lot of difficulties with this Bluetooth connection. At this point, the stick use it to recognize the remote control, but now, oh, again, is working. Look, the sticky light is turning off suddenly. Now returns. but the remote control is not working. I'm clicking several times, nothing happens. Oh. Now returns. I'm very close to the stick. I'm putting the remote control totally on over the stick. Let's try to keep a little more distance, just like 5 centimeters. Looking for this distance. The stick is there, the remote control is here. It's not working. Even in this small distance, the Bluetooth connection fails. Let's try to return to the short distance, like completely on. Nothing happens. Oh, you see? But okay, with some cuts, but lost again. It doesn't work at all. Imagine if I try sitting on a sofa or lying in a bed. It's not working. So I made a lot of tests and I'm 100% sure that the problem is the Bluetooth connection for the remote control. I did the test with my Apple smartphone using the Android TV with the Wi-Fi connection. It works well. And I did another test with Android cell phone with the Android TV app, but using only the Bluetooth connection, and works well also. But with the provided remote control that I need, the light turns off again. I don't know what is happening. Now returns, but even that the remote control don't work, doesn't work. So I try to update the system, the stick system, with the available update on the internet. Nothing happens, nothing better. and I try to restart several times. I try to reset with the factory conditions, but it doesn't work at all. I try to take off the batteries and put it again. I try to unpair and pair. I try to all the tests and the suggestions on the internet, but nothing did the remote control works properly. And like I said in my writing for you, I bought this MiTV stick just because the remote control, because my old mom don't have a easy relationship with smartphones, so she needs the remote control for using. So if I don't have the remote control, this feature, this stick doesn't have any function for us, you know. Seems like sometimes it takes the Bluetooth connection, but only very close to the stick, like I'm doing now. But suddenly it cuts the Bluetooth connection. When I try to keep a little more distance, oh, it lost again. Let's try to take off the batteries and put it again. I will wait some seconds. Okay, let's put the batteries again. Close the cap. Okay. So I try to take off and put again the batteries, and as you see, nothing happens. Let's try to get closer. No. So I hope this video helps you to understand my situation, because without the remote control there is no use for me. Okay, thank you very much.